Wagwan. Yes, me have family where a Rastafari. So, I grew up among them and other Rastafarians. And I respect how them people them move, how they live, how the real Rastaman them. Yeah, respect. My thing is just to inform people. A lot of people don't really understand Rastafari movement and whatever. So me I do my little bit for enlighten people. Them believe in them clean liberty, Emperor Haile Selassie. Also believe in the Pan-African message that Marcus Garvey carried. Rasta is about love, upliftment, good living, clean living. And Rastafarian, they also, I would think most of them use herb, but they use it as, for religious purpose. Most of them use for religious purposes as a sacrament. They not just use it for recreation. Yeah, that's a little more about Rastafarian in Jamaica, the original place, the birthplace of Rastafari, Jamaica. Big up on yourself. One love. Irie.